Hi, and welcome to my series of whole house declutter. This time I will go through my bathroom and declutter toiletries, and you're welcome to join me. If you're new here, my name is Katie, and I'm 29 years old and expecting my first baby. With intentional buying and living and decluttering often, we keep our homes minimal and make sure we only have what we need and love, and then we use less time picking up stuff. That's why I will go through my whole house in this series. The total decluttered items is 17. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.